Welcome to Tradeschool YouTube channel. Let's go to gold analysis now.
Today, we don't have any high-impacting news for gold. Evan thought overall, trend was sell yesterday day, candle was bullish engulfing. Fundamentally and technically, we can see that gold is still in bullish. Currently, we have to wait for price actions and zones for buy. This week, we will focus on buy. We have marked 2 buy zones for gold. If gold gets down, we can focus for buy from 1850, 3 to 1850. 5 and second zone was 1830 to 1830. 3, if gold doesn't get down, it can reach 1870. 8 or 1880 for next rejection. We also marked the sell zone for gold in the range of 1877 to 1880. Gold can move from current place to 1880, or if price comes down to 1850. 5, it can move up to 1880 from this zone. Kindly give your support by subscribing Tradeschool channel and join the Telegram channel to get more updates. Link given in description. Thank you for watching.